Are you feeling like your skin could use a little pick-me-up? Whether it's due to stress, environmental factors, or simply the passage of time, maintaining healthy, glowing skin is a goal for many of us. Let's explore how you can incorporate a combination of skincare and healthy foods into your daily routine to rejuvenate your skin from within. Morning routine. Start your day by cleansing your face with a gentle foaming cleanser to remove any dirt and impurities accumulated overnight. This helps to unclog pores and prevent breakouts. Apply a vitamin C serum to your face. Vitamin C helps to brighten the skin, even out tone, and protect against environmental damage. Kickstart your day with a nutritious breakfast. Consider a smoothie packed with skin-loving ingredients such as spinach, berries, almond milk, and a scoop of collagen powder. This breakfast provides essential nutrients and antioxidants to support healthy skin from within. Daytime skincare. Stay hydrated throughout the day by drinking plenty of water. Hydration is crucial for maintaining plump and youthful-looking skin. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher, especially if you're going to be outdoors. Evening routine. Remove your makeup and cleanse your face again to ensure all traces of impurities are removed. Incorporate exfoliation into your skincare routine twice a week using a gentle chemical exfoliant containing alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs. Exfoliation helps to slough off dead skin cells, revealing a smoother complexion underneath. Apply a hydrating moisturizer enriched with hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture and keep your skin supple. Treat your skin to a weekly face mask made with natural ingredients such as honey, yogurt, and turmeric. This DIY mask helps to soothe inflammation, brighten the skin, and promote a healthy glow. Incorporating healthy foods. Include a variety of nutrient-rich foods in your diet such as leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and colorful fruits and vegetables. These foods are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote skin health and combat inflammation. Swap out processed snacks for healthier options like carrot sticks with hummus, Greek yogurt with berries, or a handful of almonds. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and flax seeds, which help to keep your skin hydrated and reduce inflammation. By following these simple steps and making mindful choices about what you put on your skin and into your body, you can achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion. Start small and gradually incorporate these practices into your daily routine to see the best results over time. Your skin will thank you for it.